Good morning, good morning, good morning. Saturday morning. Just came out here, let my birds out. Don't usually let them out in the morning because I'm working. But they out. They're pretty high. Let me get a close up. Can't see them. There you go. It's been raining a lot, and I don't have no youngsters. I got a couple of squeakers there. The mosquitoes not bothering them. But this is bad time. We're in the rainy season now. But they seem to be doing good. They're rocking. All right, everybody, have a blessed weekend. I'm out. One.